Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a mini jeep crane from the KingJoy. This is one of the best budget and portable mini jeep crane that will help you to catch every critical moment without missing any rare shots. And before we begin, if you are already subscribed to the channel, make sure you have hit the bell icon as well. And now, let's get started. This is the KingJoy VM Series 301 Aluminum Professional Mini Jeep Crane, and it's especially designed for the DSLR cameras and some camcorders. This mini jeep crane adopts high strength aluminum stamp forming process, and what I like more about this crane is it has a very simple structure that helps me to set up very conveniently without wasting any more time. And talking about this mini jeep crane, the crane comes in both aluminum and carbon fiber. This is the aluminum one and it cost is around $150, and the carbon fiber will cost you around $190 approximately. You can buy this product from the given link in the description. Now let's talk about the versatility of this mini jeep crane. Since I have been using this mini jeep crane for a couple of weeks, this is one of the extremely versatile jeeps, and it's lightweight and sturdy, and you can easily carry when you are near or around while shooting. And the good factor of this crane is it can be mounted at any tripod, and the 360-degree pan ball head allows horizontal and vertical rotations, and it can be very useful for moving left, right, up, down, leaving you expected flexibility and minimalizing awkward moving. And once you get this, it is very easy to set up as it has the modular design, which is especially created for the DSLR cameras like this and other camcorders which weight doesn't exceed 8 pounds. The crane can be extended up to 82.7 inches with the help of scale tube, providing you the best choice while shooting outdoor films and the projects. The ball head design is multifunctional and is designed for both photo and video shooting, and it is mostly suitable for the 75 to 100mm ball head. And the unique quick release plate design can meet the demand for both photo and video shooting at the same time. As I said earlier, it is especially designed for the medium and small size film studios, and you can also use it to make a YouTube video as well. The crane will help you to create the cinematic shots of your choice so that you can add multiple variations on your video without missing any critical moment, making your video wonderful. And the max load it can hold is in between 11 to 16 pounds, and the max operating height is 55 inches. The crane can rotate 360 horizontal degrees, and you will also get two counterweights each of 2.2 pounds to add balance on your crane. Since the crane counterweight disc is each of 2.2 pounds, it is quite heavy and you will feel weight once you carry it. And whenever you are adding counterweight, make sure you have not attached the cameras. I strongly suggest you to add counterweight when there is no camera. When you fold the crane for movement, it can shrink up to 29.5 inches, increasing your efficiency on movement, and this makes this jeep very compact compared to others. And what I forgot to mention earlier in this video is that if you are a wedding photographer, this crane can be super useful to create and shoot some amazing shots. As always, you can buy this product from the given link in the description. Stay safe during this pandemic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.